Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Calendar. This gets you directly to the controls you need. Once there, make sure iOS is current because features and bug fixes matter. You should have your Apple ID credentials ready so you can enable iCloud syncing or add other accounts. Now tap Accounts and Add Account to start linking services. This step kicks off syncing. Without a connected account, your events won't persist across devices. Follow the prompts to proceed. Next, select the account type you want to use. Choose iCloud for Apple syncing or Google/Exchange for work and personal calendars. Once added, open that account's page and toggle Calendars on. This tells iOS to include events from that service. Make sure fetch settings match your needs. Push delivers instant updates, while timed fetch saves battery. You can also set default calendar to control where new events are created. After enabling, open the Calendar app. To finish, open the Calendar app and tap Calendars at the bottom to confirm your sources are visible. Select or deselect groups as needed. If events are missing, refresh by pulling down, then make sure you're signed into the right account and that server sync is healthy. If problems persist, sign out and back in or toggle Calendars off then on for that account to force a resync. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the iPhone after changes to clear lingering sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.